Where should an older foreigner search for love? City or province? Do you think girls from the provinces would date someone 20 or 30 years older? What's your message to all the foreigners who feel that all the good Filipinas are gone because of social media and Western influence? Ay, ma'am, excuse me. Sorry, pwede ka interview? Ano kahit 2 minuto lang? Opinion mo naman. May we know what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Chelsea and I'm 22 years old.
Chelsea. Yes. That's a very beautiful name, just like you. Very beautiful. Okay, so here's the very first question, babe. Where should an older foreigner search for love? City or province?
I feel like foreigners should find their future wives. In province, since I think the Filipina there is the most genuine one. I believe because city girls are more like busy with work. So I feel like province should be the first destination they should look for a Filipina wife.
We've noticed lately that many city girls only date men 1 to 5 years older than them. Do you think girls from the provinces would date someone 20 or 30 years older?
Well, for me, love doesn't require an age. So for me, for province girls, I think they would go for someone not just for age but for a true love.
A true love.
Yes.
So it really depends to the person, right?
It all depends on the person and all their perception in life.
Do you think the girls from the provinces they would go for 20 or 30 more years older than them?
Um, I can't speak for them, but I think they will since there's a lot of culture in province than in those cities, and I feel like here it doesn't matter how old or the age gap is, and I feel like province girls are more likely to find someone who can really take care of them and who can really love them for who they are.
So there's a big chance for them to find someone, okay, from the province. Okay. Okay. Now, since lots of older Filipinas are married and can't divorce, foreigners may often go for younger Filipinas. In your opinion, what's another reason they choose younger women?
Well, I think for looks, they're more youthful than those middle-aged or older women. But I feel like foreigners, I think they go for younger ones since they are more a lot fun. They go for more adventures, and I think foreigners likes those people that go for adventure um, and the culture here is very mountains, oceans, and all. I think middle-aged and older women doesn't want to go for something like that, so I think they go for younger ones since they are more flexible and they're more capable in doing those activities.
Do you think it's a good or bad idea for a foreigner to live near his Filipino partner's relatives?
For me, I don't think so, as long as it doesn't tolerate something doesn't favor them. We should all be equal since they're coming here for their Filipino wives. I think the Filipino wives should be more considerable with their partner and not abuse their partner, especially for from their relatives. And yeah, I think it's okay. It's good to come here from the Philippines, and it shows how they are determined to be with them.
Last question. What's your message to all the foreigners who feel that all good Filipinas are gone because of social media and Western influence?
Um, I don't think that they're gone, but I know a lot of people who are looking for actually for a foreigners since um, it's been a it's been a journey here in the Philippines to look for someone they care, and I think Filipino women are not gone, are not what do you call this?
Westernized?
Yeah, because I think I know someone who is in a relationship with a foreigner, and she actually looks good. She actually looks healthy, and that's why I think foreigners are taking care of taking good care of them. And I think Filipinos are looking for them actually. So they should not be afraid to come here because there are a lot of Filipinos who are looking for foreigners.
Okay, we do street interviews, right? And then most of the Filipinos, or not most, but there are Filipinos who are, I would say, they're independent, and then in a relationship, they feel like a woman and a man should be equal. Before compared to before, Filipinos they see, like, for example, in marriage, they see their husband as like the head of the family. Now it's different, so that's why we asked that question. Like, are Filipinos really the good Filipinos are really gone and westernized?
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like a lot of Filipinos, especially now in our in nowadays in our generation, we often feel like we should be independent from other people and we should work on ourselves. But I feel like it's really not gone since Filipinas actually are hopeless romantics, and I feel like they look for someone they who will truly take care of them.
Okay, I love that. You mentioned that you're not from here. Where you're from?
I'm from Cavite.
Yeah.
I just visited here in my province.
Okay. But your parents are from here, from Naga.
Yes.
You're 22 years old. You sounds like you're smart. But you still studying?
Yeah, I'm a fourth year college student.
What are you studying?
Psychology.
There's two across. Let's go back. Oops. Hi. Babe, excuse me. Sorry, pwede ka mong ma-interview kahit 2 minutes lang. Ano lang, 5 man lang. Kahit taon kong pang coffee after. Okay lang, or pang tricycle. Ano lang, 5 questions man lang. About age gap, relationship. Opinion man lang. O gusto mo ba? Ano lang, 5 kahit 2 minutes lang. Okay lang? Yeah. May we know what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Mia. I'm 26 years old.
Where should an older foreigner search for love? City or province?
I guess it doesn't matter where as long as the intention is genuine.
Okay. But if you have to choose from, city or province, where is they have more chance to find love? City or province?
I guess here in province.
Do you think it's a good or bad idea for a foreigner to live near his Filipino partner's relatives?
I think for me it's okay because for them to know the family and background of their partner.
So it's a good idea that they live near the Filipinas, family or relatives like that.
Yes.
Okay.
Because we know that it's very comfortable to live with for girls to live near their family rather than go abroad or
What's your message to all the foreigners who feel that all the good Filipinos are gone because of social media and Western influence?
it's not for me it's not really true that all good Filipino are not here anymore. They just need to look thoroughly and know them better so they know that their intentions to them are very true.
Know them better.
Yes.
So you still have these like you still trust that they're still good Filipinas. You still believe in them that Filipinas are still good.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Are you single? But you're 26 years old. Like, are you single?
Yes, ma'am.
How long have you been single?
I'm not really sure. 3 years, 5.
3 years. You still in college or you're working?
I'm working.
You're working. Okay, may we know what's your job?
Just there.
What do you mean just there? She said just there. What do you mean?
Pwede ko masabi ng ano?
Yeah.
At SM po.
Oh, okay. Sales lady?
Yes.
Ay, Mami, excuse me. Sorry. Ma'am, pwede ka ma-interview kahit 2 minutes lang. Nag-vlog kami. Ano lang, 5 questions lang. Okay lang? Yeah, ano man lang. About the relationship man lang. 5 questions lang. Okay lang, ano lang. Madali man lang. Madam, ikaw nang pick up. Mana ma'am? Promise. Sige na po. Super dali man lang ang questions, madam. Anong plan? Anong pinag mo, ma'am? 24. May we know what's your name and how old are you?
Sophia, 24.
How are you tonight, Ma'am Sophia?
I'm good.
Okay, so here's the very first question. Where should an older foreigner search for love? City or province?
I think city, because there is so many beautiful girls in the city. Like
Beautiful girls in the city.
yeah, that's it.
How about if they are looking for someone to be their wife? City or province?
Oh, that's hard. City.
Still city.
City.
Why is that? Because you're from city?
Yes.
Okay. Now, we've noticed lately that many city girls only date men 1 to 5 years older than them. Do you think girls from the provinces would date someone 20 or 30 years older?
I think yes. It depends on the maybe it depends on the situation. Like um oh, wait. Oh my god, I don't think so kasi kapag province. Pero maybe.
Maybe,
Yeah.
maybe province women would date someone, like 20 or
Older than-
30 years older than them.
Yes.
How about you, ma'am? I want you to answer this very honest, okay? Like, what is the oldest foreigner you would date?
So now I'm 24. Maybe I would date 28. 20,
You're not gonna date someone like 30 years old?
I don't think so. Maybe.
Maybe what?
Depends on the situation. If the guy is nice and kind, yun, I would date the man na 35 years old na older than me.
Would you date a 50-year-old rich man?
Again, it's dependent on the situation.
So I'll take that as a yes.
If I do really love that person and siguro the age would never matter.
I really admire your honesty. At least she's honest, right? So you would. Okay. That's what we're looking for. Like someone who's very honest. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, since lots of older Filipinos are married and can't divorce, foreigners may often go for younger Filipinas. In your opinion, what's another reason they choose younger women?
Wait, ate Pakar.
Why do you think foreigners they choose younger women?
Oh, maybe because the younger women very what do you call that? What do you call that? What is that? Itong garo wait, itong garo very kasing ito yung sa idea, spontaneous,
They're spontaneous.
exploring like that.
They like to explore, adventurous.
Yeah.
I guess so that's why.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think it's a good or bad idea for a foreigner to live near Filipina partner's relatives?
Wait,
Is it a good idea for foreigner to live near his Filipina partner? Bad or good idea?
I think it's a good idea
Okay. Why?
because it would define that the foreigner really love the Filipina here in the Philippines. So he or she would stay here for the relationship, I guess.
I don't get it. Sorry. What do you mean? Like, what do you mean? Is it a good idea? You said it's a good idea, right? Why? Because it's a good idea for them. Okay. Well, anyway, it's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Okay. A last question, ma'am. What's your message to all the foreigners who feel that all the good Filipinos are gone because of social media and Western influence?
I'm sorry that.
What's your message to all the foreigners who feel that all the good Filipino are gone? They're gone. Ano yung message mo duman sa mga foreigners na they feel like yung mga good Filipina wala na sinda dahil sa social media and dahil sa Western influence? So ano yung message mo? She's just gonna laugh. That's her message, guys. Do you believe that good Filipinas are gone?
No,
You don't believe that.
I don't believe that.
Why do you think they're not gone?
Kasi may natitira pa.
Because there's still good Filipinas out there. But do you think there are Filipinas out there that are submissive, wife material, traditional?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think there's a lot of Filipina pa naman na would you know,
They're so good. Her English is done, guys. Her English is done. It's done. No more. No more English. Okay. You're 24 years old, single, or do you have a boyfriend?
single
How long have you been single?
for 4 years.
4 years. So the last time you had a relationship, you were 20 years old. Is still studying or you're working?
Working na.
May we know what's your job, if it's okay? What's your job? Is it what?
Private.
Private.
Yeah.
Private what?
Private tutor.
Private tutor. Okay. Is it online or
Face to face.
face to face? I love that. Ma'am, is it okay to interview you for our members video?
Sure.
Okay, so members, see you on the members video. Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye.
Beautiful reflection